Hey, hello everyone. So we are in day 5. Yesterday you submitted your peer review for the scoping review. And so basically now me and Sinclair are going to work on going through the peer feedback. We're going to add our feedback over the next days, and we will be getting that back to you on February 12th. So while we're doing that, we're going to kind of shift gears now and get the KT project moving forward. So for today, you're going to start looking into that. But first, I'll say I also want you today to kind of be ready for Monday. Monday's also a little bit of a different day. We have this one day where we're going to just spend a day looking a little bit at quantitative analysis, inferential statistics. It's just some of it might be refresher from earlier evidence-based practice courses you've had, and also just reiterating some key points that I want to make sure you are leaving the evidence-based series with. Um, so that will be on Monday, and you're going to work with another pair. So it'll be groups of 4, and you all are going to create one assignment. But I'm asking that you all submit your own assignment. So if you need to just copy it and just like put your name at the top and then your group members below, if you guys all want to create one document and then just do it that little edit at the top, you'll all submit your own. This is just for like tracking and making sure you're getting correct credit for everything. But I am okay with this and essentially expecting that your assignment write-up for that will either look very similar to your group members or it might just be the same, and I'm okay with that. Okay, so today, take that chance to reach out and establish another group that you're going to work with. I'm going to let you guys just pick your own groups for that. Okay, so that will be Monday. For today, for day 5, you're going to start looking into knowledge translation. You're going to start understanding a bit of the history, understanding the process of knowledge translation, getting some of that foundational knowledge. So there is a folder of a series of readings on knowledge translation that I'd like you to read today. There's also another link that will link you to a KT project examples. And so, yeah, so today that is kind of what you're starting to look into. And in the back of your head, just know that where you're going next is to kind of start identifying what that problem is going to be that you're going to address in your project. So we'll do the quantitative analysis on Monday. And then the next day, you will work with your pair to identify what that problem is that you're going to speak to in your knowledge translation project. And so you will identify and define your problem and submit that on February 11th, so the day after the quantitative analysis assessment. So kind of strategically, things are kind of overlapping here to allow some time for other things to process, if that makes sense. So you'll get the peer feedback back next week on the 12th, and then you'll have a couple days to do those final iteration edits to submit your final scope and review for grading. So that I think is everything I wanted to speak to. Just wanted to jump on and make sure everyone was clear with how that all was gonna unfold. But yeah, tomorrow is mostly just kind of a reading and looking at examples and starting to understand a little bit about knowledge translation. All right,